So this is how I put on my eyelashes, and this is beginner friendly, so if you don't know how, keep watching. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your eyelash fits your eye, and if it's longer than your eye, you trim it. But you trim it from the outer corner, never the inner, just the outer. Sometimes there's a little bit sticking out from the lashes in the inner corner, but what I do is I actually cut it diagonally, so you can see that. Next, what I do is I grab it and I flex the eyelash. Sometimes they come really stiff, so it gets a little bit harder to put on. So what I do is I just make sure that it's a little bit flexible. After that, I grab my lash glue and I apply it to the top of the lash, and I make sure that it's well coated. Like I mentioned on my previous video, I sometimes apply some to the areas where it unsticks, but if you don't have that issue, you can just apply it to the top of the lash, not necessarily the inner, but the top. And this is what the glue looks like when it's fresh. I'll show you right now what it looks like when it's time to put it on, but don't blow on your lashes. I know it's tempting, but just swing them like that. Okay, so this is what the glue looks like. It's almost completely clear. There are a little bit of white there, which is fine. Don't wait too long because then the glue might dry too fast and it won't stick that well. Then I'm using these tweezers and I'm holding the lash like so from the center of the lash. You're gonna look into your mirror and you're gonna place the lash down right in the center, like so. I place the inner corner down first and you hold it there and press it with your natural lashes. And for a lifted look, place the back one a little bit higher. Then there's going to be a little bit of a gap, but you just fill it in with black liner underneath. Apply a little bit of mascara on the bottom, and that's it. You got yourself a good set of lashes.